If you have debt hanging over you right now, credit cards, personal loans, overdraft, buy now, pay later, this video is your plan. Not a motivational speech, not a vague suggestion to spend less. A clear, ordered, step-by-step plan for paying off your debt as fast as mathematically possible. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, in what order, starting today. Step 1. Face the full picture. Most people in debt avoid looking at the total. That avoidance is costing you money every single day. Write down every debt you have, the creditor name, the outstanding balance, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment, every single one. Credit cards, overdraft, car finance, student loan, buy now, pay later, personal loans, all of it on one page. This is not about feeling bad, this is about getting control. You cannot navigate your way out of debt without a map. This is your map. Open a spreadsheet or take a piece of paper. Step 2. Before you aggressively pay off debt, build a small emergency buffer, not a full emergency fund. Just $500 to $1,000 sitting in an easy access account. Here is why. Without a buffer, the first unexpected expense, a car repair, a boiler call-out, a phone replacement, goes straight back onto a credit card. You pay off $500 in debt, then immediately borrow $500 again. The buffer breaks that cycle. $500 to $1,000. Easy access savings account. Do not invest it. Do not put it in a pension. Keep it liquid. This is your circuit breaker. Step 3. Stop adding to the debt. This sounds obvious. It is not always easy, but it is non-negotiable. Cut up or freeze the credit cards. Remove saved card details from online shopping sites. Delete the BNPL apps. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Reduce friction between yourself and new debt to zero. You cannot fill a bath with the plug out. Every new pound of debt added while you're trying to pay it off extends your timeline and increases the total interest paid. This step costs nothing and saves you thousands. Step 4. Reduce your interest rates wherever possible. This is the most financially impactful thing you can do before you start your payoff plan. For credit card debt, apply for a 0% balance transfer card. Many UK providers offer 0% on balance transfers for 12 to 30 months. Moving $3,000 of debt at 24.9% APR to a 0% card saves you approximately $747 in interest over 12 months. On its own, for personal loans, check if you can refinance to a lower rate. If your credit score has improved since you took the loan, you may qualify for a significantly cheaper rate today. For overdraft, speak to your bank. Arranged overdraft rates have come down significantly, or move the balance to a lower rate personal loan. Not everyone will qualify for 0% deals. Your credit score matters here. But even reducing a rate from 24.9% to 19.9% saves real money every month. Step 5. Choose your payoff strategy. There are two proven methods, the Debt Avalanche and the Debt Snowball. Here is exactly how each works and which one to choose. The Debt Avalanche, mathematically optimal. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest, pay the minimum on everything, then throw every spare pound at the highest rate debt first. Once it is cleared, roll that payment into the next highest. Repeat. Using our example for the overdraft at 39.9% goes first. Then credit card A at 24.9%. Then credit card B at 19.9%. then the personal loan at 12.5%, then the BNPL, the debt snowball, psychologically powerful. List your debts from smallest balance to largest. Pay the minimum on everything. Then attack the smallest balance first, regardless of interest rate. Clear it, get the win. Roll that payment to the next. Repeat. Which one should you choose? If you are disciplined and motivated by numbers, use the Avalanche. You will pay less total interest. If you struggle with motivation and need quick wins to keep going, use the Snowball. The psychological momentum is real and it works. The best strategy is the one you will actually stick to. Step 6. Find extra money to accelerate the plan. The faster you throw money at your priority debt, the less interest you pay, and the sooner you are free. Start with subscriptions. The average UK adult pays for 4.2 subscriptions they rarely use. Cancel everything non-essential. That could be $50 to $150 per month redirected to debt. Sell unused items. Phone, clothes, electronics, furniture. A focused clear-out can raise $200 to $1,000 in a weekend, all going straight at your priority debt. Reduce fixed costs. Call your energy provider, broadband, insurance, and mobile. Ask for their best deal or tell them you are switching. This alone can save $100 to $300 per month. Increase income. A side hustle, overtime, freelance work, selling a skill, even an extra $200 per month added to your priority debt can cut years off your payoff timeline. Every extra pound you find does not just pay down $1 of debt. It also eliminates the interest that pound would have generated every single month until the debt was paid. The compounding works against you when you owe, and for you when you pay down. Step 7. Automate and track. Set up a standing order on payday to your priority debt, not a reminder. An automatic payment that goes out before you can spend the money. Pay yourself, or rather, pay your future freedom first. Then track your progress. Update your debt inventory every month. Watch the balances fall. Celebrate each debt you clear. Share your progress with someone you trust. Accountability doubles your chance of success. Use a simple spreadsheet, a notes app, or a free tool like Money Dashboard or Emma. The tool does not matter. The habit of tracking does. Here is the full plan in order. Step 1. Write down every debt you have, all of it, one page. Step 2. Build a $500 to $1,000 emergency buffer. Step 3. Stop adding to the debt. Cut the cards, delete the apps. Step 4. Reduce your interest rates. 0% balance transfer, refinance. Call your bank. Step 5. Choose your strategy. Avalanche for maximum savings, Snowball for maximum motivation. Step 6. Find extra money and throw it at your priority debt every single month. Step 7. Automate your extra payment on payday. Track your progress monthly. Debt is not permanent. It is a problem with a solution, and you now have the solution. The journey out of debt starts with a single decision. The decision to face it, make a plan, and execute it one step at a time. You have the plan, now start. Subscribe to The Deal Insider for more money moves that actually matter. Every week, I break down how money, deals, and wealth really work, so you can build yours.